Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing an extra algo problem. Yeah, one that I haven't done before. If I know how to do it right. All right, let's go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. Yeah, 2219 maximum sum score of an array. A medium problem. Let's take a look at it. All right, so you have an array of length n. Some score of nums I, index I is a maximum of the sum of the first I plus one element of nums and the last n minus I underscore. What does that mean? All right, let's see. The sum score at the index is 0, 4 plus 3. Okay, so it's just prefix of this and then the suffix, right? Is this really a medium? It just seems like a scan, right? Yeah, like almost like a prefix sum, but it's not even really a prefix sum. But the idea here, I think for these kind of problems, I mean, okay, the first thing I should have looked at is n, and n is big enough. That's what I thought. I mean, because if it's just n squared, then this is pretty straightforward and trivial, and I would have saved some time. But yeah, but the idea here is kind of just for these problems, and there are a couple of, or maybe a lot of variation of these ones. You can think about it as a sweep line if you like, but the idea behind a sweep line algorithm, or a lot of them, is trying to do incremental work in as fast as you can. And in this particular case, you can do the incremental work in over one time, right? Because you're just adding and subtracting. So, and that's basically what you want. So yeah, so let's be careful as well, because you have negative numbers. I was going to write best is equal to 0, but that's not true, right? If best is equal to negative infinity, then, right? And then now, yeah, we have the total, and we can actually just change this. We could be right and then left, right? Yeah, and not much to it. We just have to be careful about the bounds. Basically, that's how you start, right? And then now, best, and you can even do the sums independently, because you just max this and then you max over all these things. That's what I was trying to look at. I was like, huh, you don't even need to get the score immediately, right? So then this is going to be the right, and then left is just left plus num sub I, and you could probably just be consistent of left plus num sub I, right? And then, you know, you do max on the best on this, and then you do max on best on right. And then now left, we want to increment it by num sub I, and then the right, we subtract it as you move to the right. I mean, you can be a little bit careful, because you can see that we do two additions, the same addition, but I like it this way because of symmetry reasons. It's, you know, because if you get used to writing code in a symmetric way, when things are not as symmetric, it usually, you know, it means that there's like a little bit of a code smell, you know. So yeah, and then at the end we just return best, and that's it, right? Hopefully I didn't miss anything. That would be awkward. But I'm basically returning negative infinity, but why? Oh, why did I wait n is 0, 0? Did I just get lazy? Okay, I don't know. I'm just making a lot of silly mistakes these days, to be honest. I don't even know how that happened, for example. I just wasn't... I know I was rushing a little bit, but maybe I was just moving stuff. I think I was thinking about left is equal to 0, and then I just... I don't know. Very silly mistakes, but yeah. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Linear time, constant space, and yeah. I mean, this is a pretty, you know, straightforward application of this thing, but definitely this is one of those thought process that you could have when you go left to right, because you have to go do it in fast enough time. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later, and take care. Bye bye.